Hello everyone. Today we're going to make the arms for our monster. Yes, here we have the left hand and the right hand. Now, I'll make one hand so you can see how it's done. First of all, we make a magic ring. Yes, we'll make a slip stitch first. And now make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that's done. But don't tighten it, because later we will crochet into this space for the furry part of our monster. Now, let's make 1 single crochet into the second round. And see, one hand is ready. We have a thumb and 3 fingers. This is one hand, and now I will make the opposite hand. It will have a thumb here and 3 fingers later on. Now, we need to make 3 fingers and then the thumb. Okay, we'll make simple crochet and 3 chain picot and a slip stitch into the base stitch. Now, we'll make the second finger, simple crochet, and then 3 chain picot again. Now we make 1 more stitch, and yes, we'll make 1 more picot. Just simple crochet and make a thumb. Yes, now it's ready. Let's make 1 more single crochet, and let's stop here. 1 hand and another hand are done. Now, let's make the fluffy arm. Let's change our hook. Let's take off this one and use a 3.5mm hook. Now, let's join the fluffy yarn. I hope you can see it. We make 4 single crochets into the magic ring, into this first loose stitch. Now, let's make a few knots with the tail ends. Yes, this yarn is fluffy, so nobody will see our tails. It's safe to cut them like this. We can skip weave them in, right? And now we make chain and work 4 single crochets. It's really fluffy. We can't really see our stitches. So just distribute the stitches evenly on the hand. The same advice I can give you when you work on the body and on the head. And in the last row, we make just 3 single crochets. 1 at the beginning, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end. Yes, it's complicated. Leave a tail. Okay, yes, it's done. Now I have 2 hands. Now, let's sew them to our monster. Which side do you like more? We can use fluffy yarn and a tapestry needle. Just put them near the neck and sew them on. The yarn is fluffy, so it will be easy to sew arms on accurately. That's the first hand. Don't cut off your yarn. Go to the other side of the monster and sew the right arm on. At the end, let's make some knots and weave the ends into the body so it looks nice. I hope you like it. This is the version I made with detailed arms. But if you don't want to make it so complicated, or if you're a beginner and want to make something easier, I have a monster from plush with simple hands. So, if you like this, please check the description box for links to another type of monster with another type of arms. Have a good day. Bye.